The Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2 is an incredibly effective tracker, and its ability to locate items goes far beyond simple Bluetooth range. To accomplish this, Samsung utilizes a powerful system based on three main components. The SmartTag 2 itself, this device acts as a tracker for whatever you attach to it: keys, luggage, wallets, etc. Importantly, the SmartTag 2 does not have its own GPS chip. Then there is the SmartThings app, installed on your Galaxy phone or tablet. This is the application you use to register your tags, monitor their last known location, and initiate the search. And the third component is millions of Samsung Galaxy devices owned by people worldwide. This vast global network is the key to finding your tag when it's out of your immediate range. Let's imagine you attach your smart tag 2 to your luggage and lost it at a busy international airport. To find it, you open the SmartThings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone and select your lost smart tag 2. You will then see an option to view its location on a map. This map will display the tag's current or last known position. Since your tag doesn't have GPS and you are too far away for a direct Bluetooth connection, how does the SmartThings app get its location? Well, the location is found using the millions of other Samsung Galaxy devices in the vicinity. Every other Galaxy phone or tablet user becomes an anonymous temporary beacon for your lost item. When a Samsung Galaxy phone user passes near your lost luggage, your SmartTag 2 will ping that device anonymously using a low power signal. That passing Galaxy device, acting as a node in the Samsung Find network, securely and anonymously uploads the location data of your tag to the network. The Samsung Find network then relays that location data back to your SmartThings app, showing you where your tag is located on the map. If multiple devices pass by, the location is frequently updated and potentially triangulated for higher accuracy. This robust network works for all your compatible Samsung devices: phones, tablets, Galaxy Buds, Galaxy Watches, and Smart Tags, but only if you have signed into all of them with your Samsung account. Samsung designed this network to be completely secure and private for all users. You, as the owner of the lost tag, will never know which specific Galaxy user's phone helped locate your tag. You only see the location of your lost item. The Galaxy users who pass by your tag and help locate it will not know that their phone just assisted in finding a lost item. This process is completely hidden and occurs passively in the background. This means you can help others find their lost items just as they help you, all while maintaining complete privacy. It is crucial to understand that the participation in this Samsung Find network is not automatic. You must willingly opt into this feature to both leverage the network for locating your own lost Galaxy devices and enable your device to help others. By opting in, your device becomes a silent helper, enhancing the network's reliability without compromising your privacy. The process is completely secure and anonymous. Your identity, location, and device details are never shared. Nor will you know when your phone has helped someone find a lost item. The owner of the lost tag will only ever see their item's location. Enabling this setting ensures that your own Galaxy devices, phones, tablets, watches, or smart tags can also be located by the community network if lost. I'll show you exactly which settings to turn on later on in this video. But first, let's see how you can connect a brand new Samsung tag to your phone. So I've already connected this one. Now you see these blue strips, these basically keep them turned off, so the battery is not active in these three. This one I've already connected with my phone. So let's connect this one with my Samsung phone, and mind you, these only work with Samsung phones, so that's a limitation, but I'll talk more about it at the end of the video. So now here I've got my phone, and I'll pull this tab out, and you can see that it has turned on, and the moment I pulled out the tab, my phone has detected it, and now all I have to do is tap on add. All right, give it the location information, agree, and it's connecting to my phone. And now you don't see it, but there is a button right here, and it's telling me to press the button in the center of the tag. I'll press it, and there you go, it's connected. So that is how you connect these smart tags to your phone. It's simple and straightforward, no hoops or loops to jump through. And then from right here, you can start using the tag. Now, first thing you'll see here is that you can register it as your pet tag, and then it will show you the walking history, so you can do that. Then you can view it on the map. Next, you can do something really awesome. Since it has a button, At the front, you can set this button up to do different things for you. So that's where this smart button action comes in. Go in here, you can set it up to find your phone or tablet. So you can use this tag. If you've lost your phone but you have a tag, you can press this button and that will ring your phone or your tablet. You can set it up to start walk with pet, so it will start recording the walking history. And then there are some automations, so pressed and held. So there are two automations. When you turn these on, you can add a routine to these tags. So whenever you will press the button or you will press and hold the button, it will activate a certain routine. So you can go in here and now you can control devices, you can do other things, notify someone, change this locations mode, run routines, and security mode. So there's a lot of stuff that you can just automate with this one button on the tags. After smart button action, we have ringtone and volume. So here you can change the ringtone volume. You can keep it low or high, and then you can change how it rings. Then we have smart button sound. You can turn that on or you can turn that off as well. Next we have power saving mode, and when you'll turn it on, it will give us this notification. If you put a tag on something such as your car or suitcase and want to track its location for a long time, turn on power saving mode. When this is turned on, some functions will become unavailable to extend your tag's battery. So what functions will be unavailable? Volume and ringtone, smart button action, some features of search nearby, find using camera, direction and distance, and notify when movement detected. So these will be turned off. From the top here in the menu, you can go in edit device, and here you can add its location, you can add the room, or you can also add the name for this tag. So let's do that. Now once these tags are connected, I can go in my SmartThings app, go in devices, and I'll see these tags listed here. Now if I go in my smart tag here, you can go in view map and it will show you the tag and all other Samsung Galaxy devices on the map, so you can see their location straight away. You'll see the address down here as well, and then you can see the location history. You can ring it and you can refresh it as well. But from here you can tap on this menu button and it opens up these new options for you. Now let me show you some of these features at the top here. So you can ring your tag, you can increase or decrease the volume of the ring as well. You can see the location history of the tag, where it has been, and then you can navigate to the tag, and it won't work right now because I'm sitting right next to it, but if it is far away, phone will navigate you to the tag. And then there is this search nearby feature which allows you to really pinpoint where your tag is. So for example, if you navigate to the tag but now you have to find exactly where your tag is, that's when you will turn on search nearby, and it will bring up this screen where it will show you the signal strength. Now I've seen in videos that there's supposed to be a compass here which will direct you exactly where the tag is, but it's not showing up for my phone. But it will show you if the signal strength is weak or if it is strong, and when you're moving towards the tag, it will keep getting strong. When you're moving away from the tag, it will become weak, and that's how you can move towards the tag. And then when you are very close, you can still not find it, you can ring the tag from here as well. You can also share the location of the tag. You can turn on notify when left behind. Then you can go in here and you can add a safe place, for example your house. You can also turn on notify when movement detected. So you can turn this on. Whenever the tag will start moving, it will notify you on the phone. You can also turn on the lost mode here. So for example, if you can't find it, the lost mode will turn on, and you can set up your emergency contact info and message, notify me when it's found, pairing lock, and all that stuff. And here you can add your email address, you can add your phone number and a message. Now to use these tracking and navigation features to find your smart tag, you need to turn on a couple of settings on your phone. First of all, go in settings and then go in connections, and here turn on ultra wideband because it will allow you to identify the precise location of nearby devices. The second setting that you need to turn on is in security and privacy, and here go in lost device protection and go in find my mobile. And here you'll see these three settings. You need to turn them on: allow this phone to be found, send last location, and the most important one, offline finding. And you can read about it: locate your phone even if it's offline and help others find their devices. So if all Galaxy users have this setting turned on, it will allow your tag to ping off their Galaxy phones to pinpoint the location of your tag, and you can help others find their devices with your Galaxy phones as well. There are some other settings that you can turn on. You can also encrypt your location, and you can set up a PIN for offline finding as well. So this is how you use Samsung Galaxy SmartTags. Now these come with these rings built in. You can attach them to your key rings or your luggage or whatever. It's very easy to use. There are a lot of accessories for these tags as well that you can get off Amazon and use them, and they are available on Amazon right now. It's a fantastic deal, 40% off, and you get these four tags which you can use for several purposes.